upper bodice, and I'll be adding a yoke. So this is the yoke. I cut 2 pieces of it, so I'll be using it to turn each other. These 2 pieces I'll use to turn each other instead of using bias. So this is the lower part, then I'm adding a lace on top of it, and this is the lining, and this is the back. I'm using the lining. So what I'll do first is to join my lace to my doll face to keep it stable. I'll join it round, keep it stable. Do the same for the back. So I'll turn these two together. With an 1/2 inch sewing allowance. Now sew it as gently as possible. I'll do the same thing for the armhole. I'll turn together by 1/2 inch sewing allowance. So I'm done stitching all around the neck and the armhole. So I'm going to be trimming it very close to the seam. I'll do this for all the parts that I join together. So after doing that, I'm going to turn it over. So you can see how seamless it looks. So I'm going to stitch this together so that it can notch it. So I've sewed this together as well, so I also get the midpoint of this. Now notch it too. So I'm going to place this on this using the midpoint. So my lining, I'm going to put the lining on it too. Or if you're not too sure, you can stitch this first, then sew the lining over it. I can do it together since it's a straight line. So you stitch it with an 1/2 inch seam allowance. I'm going to notch so that you can lay flat. So this is what the upper bodice looks like. After looking good already. So I also turn the armhole. the arm also. And I can give it a good press so that everything lays very flat. So yeah, I would like to hold these two together this way, so that when I'm joining to the back, it's going to be very easy for me. So I want to turn the neck, I'll turn the armhole. So I'll be leaving 1.5 inch allowance for our zip. So I'll start from here. Also turn the armhole. So I want to join the front to the back. So I'm joining the shoulder. So this is the yoke and this is normal. So I just what I will do. So now I want to shape this dress, and the measurement is 20 divided by 4, that's 5. So from here I'm measuring 5, or I can just take the 1.5 inch chain allowance that I took when cutting the dress. I can see that it's the same thing. So I just so you can see that this makes each other the match. So I'll go ahead to open this and iron. Do the same for the other side. With that, our upper part is ready.